Hello everyone and welcome back to our English lessons for level 3. This is part 2 of unit 2. And we start with vocabulary. We have opposites here. Match the adjectives with their opposites. So old is the opposite of young. It has a different meaning. Opposites, it means words that have the different meaning of another words. So old has a different meaning of young. Old is the opposite of young. Look at number 1. He's old. Maybe he is 70 years old. She's young. Maybe she's 8 years old. So he's old. She's young. Now, what's the opposite of big? Look here. Yes, exactly. Small. So you can say, I live in a big house, or I live in a small house. Your house is big, but my house is small. So big is the opposite of small. Now you can pause the video for 2 minutes, match the adjectives with their opposites, then you can play the video and check your answers again, okay? So look at the answers here. Big, small, new, old. Lovely, horrible. Lovely, it means beautiful. Horrible, very bad. Easy, difficult. Hot, cold. Expensive, cheap. Expensive, it costs a lot of money, but cheap, it doesn't cost a lot of money, not expensive. Fast, slow. Okay, so look here how to use the adjective into the sentence. You can say, I live in a big house. I have an expensive watch. So here we use the adjective before the noun. Big is an adjective, and we use it before the noun. Expensive is an adjective, and we use it before the noun. The noun here is singular, just one, house and watch. So we use a or an before the adjective. The weather is lovely today. We don't say the weather is a lovely. Lovely is an adjective. It comes after verb to be, and we don't use a or an before the adjective because we don't have a noun. If the noun is plural here, we don't use a or an. Okay, you can say, I have expensive watches, or I have expensive t-shirts. Now try to use these adjectives to complete or to make sentences about these pictures. So look at number 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, but this is what? Yes, so this is easy and this is difficult. Now again, pause the video for just 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then write your answers. After that, you can play the video and check your answers. Go on. Now you can listen and check your answers. Repeat after it.
Tape script 2.4. 1.
He's old.
She's young.
2.
It's easy.
It's difficult.
3.
It's new.
It's old.
4.
It's fast.
It's slow.
5.
It's lovely.
It's horrible.
6.
They're hot.
They're cold.
7.
They're cheap.
They're expensive.
8.
It's small.
It's big.
Okay, so for number 6 and number 7, we say they're hot, they're cold because we talk about two. And for number 7, we say they're cheap, they're expensive because we talk about two. So we can change it there because we talk about two. Okay, now let's move on to another exercise. And here you are going to listen to a letter. After you listen, we have some adjectives here, and you try to write the same letter about your class. So let's listen and read together. After we finish, we will study some words here and expressions. Listen and read.
Tape script 2.5.
Dear Nabil, how are you? I'm fine. Here's an email in English. It's good practice for you and me. I have classes in English at La Guardia Community College. I'm in a class with 8 students. They're all from different countries: Japan, Brazil, Switzerland, Poland, and Italy. Our teacher's name is Martin. He's very nice and a very good teacher. I live in an apartment with 2 American boys, Bobby and Matt Cass. They're brothers. Bobby's 20 years old and a policeman. Matt's 18 and a student. They're very friendly, but it isn't easy to understand them. They speak very fast. New York is very busy, very exciting, but very expensive. The subway isn't difficult to use, and it's cheap. It's very cold now, but Central Park is lovely in the snow. I'm very happy here. Write to me soon, Fahad.
Okay, so the names are different here. Dear Nabil, and this is Fahad. It's okay. And here is an email. Here is a letter. The same, no problem. So again, this letter or this email is in English. So it's a good practice for you and me because we practice English together. I have classes in English at La Guardia Community College. This is the name of the university. So you can say, I have classes in English at Al-Khawarizmi Institute. I have classes in English at a school, at Taif University. I am in a class with 8 students. They're all from different countries. They are not from the same country. Our teacher's name. So you can say my teacher's name is, my brother's name is, my best friend's name is. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. I live in a house with 2 American boys or girls. And here, it isn't easy to understand them. It is easy or it isn't easy. We use this expression for adjectives. So you can say it isn't easy, or it is difficult, or it is beautiful, it is horrible. To plus a verb. To understand, to run, to eat in this restaurant, and so on. So you can say it is a bit lovely to eat in this restaurant. Again, the subway isn't difficult. The subway, it's like the train, but it goes underground. Isn't difficult to use. So we use adjective to plus infinitive. Now, everyday English, and we are in a cafe. Before we go to talking about cafe, we have some prices here, and this is English pound or sterling pound in Britain or in England. This is £1, 50p, £10, 75, £5, £7.50, 50p, it's like halala here in Saudi Arabia. So 1 pound is 100 piastres. P is short form for piastres. Okay, so 50p, it means 50 piastres. 1 pound is 100 piastres, like 1 real is 100 halalas. Okay, now this is the menu. When you go to a restaurant, a cafe, or a snack bar, it's like a small restaurant for fast food. This is the menu, and here we have hamburger and chips, chicken and chips. So this is photo number 1 here. This is hamburger and chips. This is chicken and chips. Tuna and egg salad. This is tuna and egg salad. Pizza, we have pizza. Ice cream, chocolate cake, coffee, tea, orange juice, and mineral water. Okay, so this is mineral water. And here are the prices. We have £3.50, and here we have 60p, 90p, 70p, and so on. Now, to ask about the price, we say how much is. So how much is a hamburger and chips? £3.50. How much is a hamburger and chips and an orange juice? £4.40. So you can practice asking about the menu here. How much is an ice cream? How much is chicken and chips? And so on, okay? Now, what do you say if you go to a cafe and you want to ask for something? Here we have 2 conversations. You are going to listen and complete the conversations, okay? So this is tip script 2.10. Please listen and repeat.
Tape script 2.10. 1.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please?
Here you are. Anything else?
No, thanks.
£1.50p, please.
Thanks.
Thank you.
2.
Hi, can I help?
Yes, can I have a tuna and egg salad, please?
Anything to drink?
Yeah, a mineral water, please.
Okay, here you are.
How much is that?
£6.35, please.
Thanks.
Okay, so now pause the recording and listen to the audio again and try to complete the conversations. After you finish, you can play the audio again and check your answers, okay? Check your answers. Good morning, good morning. Can I have a coffee, please? So to ask for something in a cafe or a restaurant, you say, can I have a coffee, please? Can I have some water, please? Can I have a sandwich, please? Here you are. Anything else? This is the waiter asks you, anything else? Do you need anything else? No, thanks. Or you can say, yes, please, I need blah, blah, blah. Or can I have another sandwich? Here is the price, £1.50. You can write it like this, or £1.50p. Thanks, thank you. The second one, can I have a tuna and egg salad, please? So we use again, can I have anything to drink? Yeah, a mineral water, please. Here you are, so he gives you what you asked for. You ask about the price, how much is that? This is the price. You say thanks and goodbye. Now we've come to the end of our lesson today. This is the end of Unit 2. Thanks and see you again. Goodbye.